Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to repair the Samsung EcoBubble WF1124XAU washing machine. The problem I have today is it shuts off. It unexpectedly turns off itself whilst in the middle of the cycle whilst washing it. So yes, you can see, got clothes inside. It's off, and then I'm going to show you it's actually off. So yeah, it's previously had a problem that it would work and then it would give an E error code, E30 or something like that, don't remember. And then I had to take this unit out and then open it up and then re-solder the circuit, particularly this main IC there, this one, that's the heatsink. Under that we got an integrated circuit IC under that. I'll show you anyway. So yeah, this is actually on. So as you can see, this is the plug in there, it's on, right? And now when I press the power button, nothing would come. Okay, it's not turning on. So basically what has happened is it's stuck. Was washing and all of a sudden it's just turned off itself. So it's like you had a power cut or something wrong with the power. Now it will start working. Just for me, I'm just going to get this this rubber mallet hammer, right, and I'm going to bang on that, the heatsink, right, and then it will start to work back again. Watch it. Right, I'm going to show you what exactly problem is. So this is actually the loose connection there. So the lead on the board, circuit board, either got detached or something. So the way I'm going to prove you is, it's got this rubber mallet hammer. Yes, and I'm going to use that to give it a heavy bang on it, and then it'll start to work. You see that? There you go. Right, now this is not a temporary solution. Remember guys, what I did, you should not do it. I've just showed you how it works, what exact problem is. So do not do that because you would damage it. The reason I did it, I know what exactly problem is. Okay, so the problem is with the circuit board, the motherboard in there. Basically you need to resolder it. There you go, it's working. So we'll wait now. We've got five minutes left, but it's gonna shut off in about a minute or so. I'm not gonna record it, but I'm gonna take you to the next video where I remove it and show you the back side of it and what needs doing. Okay, the washing is done, all out. So remember, you should switch it off. Well, make sure you switch off from the mains, and I left it for about 20 minutes because I don't know, that could be the capacitor, so I don't want to get an electric shock from the capacitor. So that's the thing. And the other thing, I had removed this, had a top cover there. I just took this thing out and then took the top cover off in the first place. Now I'm going to unclip all these wires. This one, so this is the main one. The main one comes from the main plug. So wear gloves, keep you safe. It's kind of stuff. So that's that one out, and these ones. So they all need. They've got a safety lock or whatever the lock in there to keep in one place. So just I'm gonna do one by one. Okay, I've undone all the harness. Okay, now it's ready to, basically you have 1, 2, 3 screws for holding it to place, and then you sort of pry it off. Right, now this is the unit. There you go, it says Samsung. There you go, that's the item. Now there we go, the back side of it, so you can see that. So I had to cut the back cover in the dremel tool and this is the silicon coating. This I believe this is there to stop the vibration affecting the board, but I don't see a point. It's already affected it. It's not working, so got the silicon gel in there in the back. So yeah, previous problem I had was, as I said before, it was throwing an E code error, would get stuck. I have to switch on and switch back again. So just to remove the silicon coating only for that, the main, the IC there with the black heatsink. Can you see that? See those the connections? So those are the one I re-soldered it. So basically I'm going to do the same, and then going to give it a try, and I'm 99% sure that is the problem. So once you have re-soldered them, should all be fine. If that didn't work, then what I'm going to have to do is I just have to cut completely this one off, remove the silicon bit, and re-solder every single one of these connections. Or you could buy a new motherboard and fix it. I think it would cost around between 150 to 250 pounds in the UK, or perhaps you could buy a cheaper one on eBay, don't know, but I'm just going to give this a good shot. Okie dokie. Right, all done now. It's back, the board is back in there. So yeah, I'm just not going to put the top back on yet. Okay, there we go, it's ready. Some powder's ready, some cloths ready, so let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Let's check it. Bedding. It's actually close by. I use the bedding because that's a normal setting I choose. Right, let's go. Here we go. Right, I'm just going to go and have a cuppa, and then we'll come back and see how it goes. Right, the plug's on. Let's see if it works. There you go. Cycle done, problem fixed. That's all, people. So this is the way to fix the problem. If your washing machine, Samsung one, get error, stops suddenly, or if you get a E code error which stops in the middle of the cycle.